Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you 2 ways to sublimate skinny tumblers. I will show you how to sublimate them using a tumbler press and a convection oven. For this project, you are going to need either a tumbler press or a sublimation oven. To print the sublimation designs, you are going to need a printer with sublimation ink. I am using an Epson EcoTank ET15000 with sublimation ink and paper. Tumbler blanks. I will be using hiipoo sublimation blanks. This box comes with 4 20-ounce sublimation skinny tumblers with leak-proof lid, base to put after sublimating, straw, brush to clean the straw, and the shrink wraps. I love that the shrink wraps are included. To wrap the tumblers with the shrink wrap, you are going to need a heat gun. This is only if you wish to sublimate using an oven. If you are using a tumbler press, you will not need to use shrink wrap. I will show you the process in a little bit. Also, you are going to need heat-resistant tape, a heat-resistant mat, and heat gloves. I will link all the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. I already have the prints to sublimate the tumblers. If you would like to use these free templates, I invite you to visit my blog and download them. Find the link in the video description down below. Wrap the tumbler with the print and secure it with heat-resistant tape. I already have my tumblers already wrapped. This one on the right is going to be sublimated using the tumbler press. And these other 2 are going to be sublimated using an oven. The ones that are going to be sublimated with the oven need to be wrapped using the shrink wrap. For this process, we're going to need a heat gun. Remember to check the description down below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. Also there you're going to find the link to download the free templates. Remember, if you're going to sublimate your tumblers using a tumbler press, you don't need the shrink wrap. Now I'm going to start sublimating using the tumbler press. This tumbler is going to be pressed at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 seconds. If the design doesn't cover the entire tumbler, you just need to press it once. But if it's a full wrap, you will need to press it twice and rotate in the middle of the timer. It's going to be very hot, so remember to use heat gloves. Let it cool down before removing the wrap. Let's reveal the design. Let's see how it turned out using the tumbler press. I love the colors, it looks beautiful. And remember, since this one is a full wrapped, I pressed it twice and it looks very nice. Now that I already showed you how to sublimate tumblers using a tumbler press, I'm going to move to the next step. I'm going to sublimate the other two using an oven. That is the advantage of using an oven. You can sublimate several tumblers at a time. These ones are going to be sublimated at 365 degrees for 6 minutes. That was easy. Now I'm going to reveal the designs. And here is the first tumbler sublimated using the oven. The colors are very vivid and bright. I am so in love with this tumbler. As you can see, both methods are excellent to sublimate tumblers. You can pick the method that best suits your needs. Remember to check the description down below, since there I'm going to link the supplies and free templates used in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you liked it, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell. Like this, you are not going to miss any of my new videos. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.